4K quantum dot LED TV with Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos support and also gaming features for only 26,999. Are you kidding me? Another day back with a new TV in the home, and this one is very interesting, guys. So I actually got like so many requests and comments from you people only asking me to make a video on this TV. It's a brand new model from Toshiba. Model is called a C450, recently launched in the Indian market, and the kind of specs and features it offers for the price point now, I was also like very curious and I had to make a video on this for you people. So Toshiba's C450 is available in like different size variants. Today in the house we have the 50-inch variant, and main highlight of this TV is it comes with a quantum dot LED panel on board, guys, and also has support for Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos as well, and plenty of gaming related features in this price segment. You're getting auto low latency mode, VRR support, game mode is also available. So I'm like very excited to unbox and check out the performance of this TV in this video. Let's get started. So unboxing part was almost done like 2 weeks back, and I've been using the TV for the past few days. But anyways, let me give you like a quick walk around and show you what did we get in the package. The TV came in this sort of packaging, guys. All the details and highlights are mentioned on the front side, and the model we'll be checking out today is Toshiba C450 series, available in different sizes. We have the 50-inch 4K TV variant in the house today. As soon as you open it, we get some accessories at the top, which include your TV stands. A packet of accessories is also there, and this one is your TV remote, guys. Brand new design and has lots of shortcuts and OTT buttons. We'll get back to the remote at a later part in the video. Not to miss out, you're also getting Alexa voice assistant feature. Along with that, you're getting 2 AA batteries for the remote, some installation screws, and a mains cord for the TV. So that's it. These are all the accessories we got in the package. Quickly unboxing it. There you go, our very first hands-on and initial look at Toshiba's brand new C450 TV. Oh wow. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up and then be right back to continue this video. Alright boys, I'm back to continue the video. It's been almost like 7-8 days I've had the TV and been using it on a day-to-day basis, and today in this video I'll be sharing my detailed experience and feedback on this model. In fact, there are so many points I'll be talking about, especially about the display quality, built-in speaker quality, and also not to miss out gaming features. I'm pretty sure you people also have like plenty of questions, right? So make sure to watch it till the end, you'll get all your answers. And on top of that, this TV also has like special offers going on right now, so we'll be talking about the pricing details, all of that at the end of this video. So first of all, let me tell you about the different variants and size categories available in this particular model. Toshiba's C450 TV is available in like 3 different sizes. You're getting 43 inches, 50 inches, and also 55 inches, and all of these are 4K QD LED TVs, guys. Quantum dot LED TVs at such an affordable price tag. So let me give you like a closer look and talk about the design and build quality. First of all, I have to say, guys, Toshiba's C450 TV looks very beautiful and also quite premium, guys, especially considering the price point. I mean, look at the silver accents from the front to profile. You're getting a beautiful bezel on the bottom profile over here in silver finishing. You just have the Toshiba logo on the left side, and that's it. There's nothing else over here. A tiny status LED indicator at the center, followed by a power button, and have a look at the stands as well. Quite beautiful, right? They're actually made of polycarbonate but have a metallic premium brushed metal sort of finishing. And I have to mention, guys, the bezels on this TV are like very slim, especially on the sides and the top. Nearly bezel-less experience. Going to the side profile, here's how the TV looks like. Though not the slimmest category TV, I would say, again, because this is a direct lit LED backlighting TV, right? So this was expected. Let me give you like a closer look at the back profile as well and show you all the available connectivity ports on this model. Plenty of connectivity ports present at the back side. This one is your AC input. This is where you'll be connecting the mains cord. AV in is also there, and to the side here you have all the other remaining ports, which include 2 USB ports for your storage drives. Along with that, you're also getting 3 HDMI ports. All of these are HDMI 2.1, but only HDMI 1 supports EARC feature. Moving on, you're also getting a 3.5mm headphone jack available. Ethernet LAN port is also there. Digital optical out is also available, and an RF antenna in. Talking about the build quality looks pretty decent. It's like a mix between metal and polycarbonate. As I've told you, stands are entirely made of polycarbonate, but the back of the body is made of metal, guys. And overall build quality was pretty decent. Didn't feel any sort of flex also anywhere on the frame. Now let's quickly jump into the home screen and talk about the software experience, built-in apps and features, and also operating system. First of all, let me tell you, Toshiba's brand new C450 TV is powered by VIDA operating system. VIDA operating system has definitely improved over the last few years. I mean, look at the home screen experience over here. Very clean and modern looking design, right? Everything is like neatly organized and categorized. You're getting plenty of different sections. Starting off with the built-in apps, plenty of OTT apps are like already pre-installed on the TV, guys. You're getting Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV, YouTube, Disney Plus Hotstar, Jio Cinema, most of your favorite apps are already there. And apart from this, if you want to download any other sort of apps and games, right, you can easily download that by going to this more app section at the end over here. Now going down, this is your content section. All the content recommendation over here automatically refreshes and keeps changing depending on the type of content you're watching on the TV. And if you talk about my experience and feedback, right, overall TV had like a smooth UI only, I would say. As you can see, everything, navigation, opening and closing of apps, transitions, everything felt pretty nice and smooth, and I didn't face any sorts of lags and stutters in the past few days, guys. So good software experience, I would say. And not only that, the TV also has like multiple voice assistant support. So not just Vida voice assistant, you're also getting like built-in Alexa voice assistant also, which you can easily toggle using this microphone button on the remote. We'll talk about the remote and all of its smart features also in a moment, but now it's about time, guys, we talk about the display and the audio quality. So before we get there, what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube or any other OTT platform, play some content for you people, just have a look at that, then we'll be back to discuss about the picture quality.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
So you people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. So before I share my feedback, first thing I'll have to mention is this is like an affordable category TV offering premium solution, guys. So don't expect like flagship level features. That category is totally different. But for the price that you're paying, the TV picture quality is actually quite impressive. First of all, let me tell you, Toshiba's C450 TV is available in 3 different sizes. Today in the house we have the 50-inch variant. And the main highlight of this TV is, for this price point, you're actually getting Quantum Dot LED TV, that too with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support. Excellent amount of detail. You're getting native 4K resolution at 50 inches. Obviously, no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be movies or even like YouTube videos, right? Great amount of detail. Text looks like pretty sharp, guys. And talking about the colors, as I've told you, you're actually getting like a Quantum Dot LED panel over here. And when light strikes this Quantum Dot nano particles on the front, they produce strikingly beautiful and vivid looking colors. On top of that, the panel is capable of producing like wide color gamut range. It actually supports up to like 75% DCI-P3 color gamut range. So yes, colors were like very beautiful and pretty accurate, I would say. Just have a look at these clips. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the actual panel type, right? Toshiba's C450 features a 8-bit VA panel and comes with direct lit LED backlighting. Talking about the contrast ratio is also pretty good. I mean, obviously it's a VA panel, so offers much better contrast ratio than your regular IPS panels, and black levels are also pretty decent. Brightness of the TV is also like quite satisfactory, guys. It has around like 350-360 nits of brightness and is more than enough for your day-to-day sort of need. Though one thing if I had to mention, panel is slightly bit glossy, and because of that it attracts a little bit of reflections and glare, especially if you have a lot of light sources in the room. And main highlight of the TV, as I've told you guys, C450 also supports HDR10+, HLG, and also has Dolby Vision support, especially if you're watching 4K movies or web series on Netflix or Amazon Prime Video, right? You'll be quite pleased with the results. One more highlight I forgot to mention is Toshiba's C450 features a brand new picture engine called as Rexa Engine ZR that offers like great picture processing, and not to miss out, offers 4K upscaling as well. So even if you're watching like low resolution content, maybe 720p or HD, right, it does a decent job upscaling it to 4K. And not to miss out, you're also getting AI scene optimizer as well, which when enabled, the TV will automatically detect the type of content you're watching, either it be sports content, entertainment, movies, right? Automatically applies the suitable picture mode to give you best possible experience. Keeping that aside, now let's get into the audio quality part. So Toshiba's C450 features like 2-channel stereo speakers. The brand is calling it as clear direct speakers, each of them capable of producing 12 watts. So totally you can expect around 24 watts of output over here, and not to miss out, you're also getting DTS-X and Dolby Atmos support as well. And audio quality was also pretty decent, guys. Good vocals, all the dialogues were like clearly audible no matter what sort of content you're watching, even on YouTube videos, right? Pretty satisfactory experience. Distortion also quite minimum, and audio output also loud and sufficient for day-to-day sort of usages. See, unless you want like a realistic 5.1 home theater sort of experience, right, you don't need to buy like an external soundbar for this TV. It'll get your job done.
So I have a good PC only. I have 12th gen i9 processor. The CPU is good, but the GPU which I have was mid-range level. It was RTX 3060. And for 1080p gaming, it was working very well. It was good.
And wait a second, you people are forgetting the main highlight. The TV also has like interesting gaming features in this price segment. You're getting auto low latency mode support, VRR support is also there, HDMI 2.1 with EARC, and also has a special game mode which when enabled automatically reduces the input lag and greatly improves the response times. I've played some AAA title games on both gaming PC and also consoles as well, and had a good time in the past few days. Only limitation I felt with the model was it only has like a native refresh rate of around 60Hz. But again, for the price that you're paying, you cannot even expect like higher refresh rates. For your PS5 console, right, it's like a good match, offering a great 4K 60fps experience, especially in this price point. Well, that is pretty much it. Our video on Toshiba's all new C450 4K QLED TV. Great TV for the price. You're getting 4K resolution, quantum dot colors, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support also, and not to miss out all of those interesting gaming features. The starting price for the 43-inch variant is around 26,999 and the 50-inch variant costs around 32,999 rupees. And Toshiba is also giving 2 years of warranty along with the purchase. Now coming to the special offers, as I've told you at the beginning, guys, Toshiba is offering some limited time period offers, like you're getting 1 year premium subscription to Disney Plus Hotstar worth 1499 rupees, and also Jio Cinema family subscription worth 1788 rupees for absolutely free of cost. All details for these offers are on your screen and also will be in the description box as well. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got complete information on this model, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.